In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view page history and restore deleted page in Notion. Let's start with viewing and reverting page history. First, open the Notion page you want to roll back. This should be the exact page where changes were made. With the page open, look to the top right and click the three dots menu. This opens a timeline of previous versions, usually organized by date and time. Take a moment to browse the list. Click any version to preview it before making changes. The preview lets you see exactly what the page looked like at that point, which is great for confirming you found the right snapshot. If that version is exactly what you want, click Restore Version to revert your current page to that state. If you only need a specific section, maybe a paragraph, a checklist, or a database property, simply copy it from the preview and paste it back into your current page. This approach lets you bring back the parts you need without overwriting recent updates you still want to keep. Now, let's recover something that was deleted. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll all the way down and click Trash. This area holds pages, subpages, and databases that were removed from your workspace. Inside Trash, locate the item you want to bring back. Take your time to confirm the page title so you don't restore the wrong one, especially if you have similarly named pages. When you've found it, click the Restore icon, the circular arrow. Notion will move the page back to its original location, keeping its structure and content intact. After restoring, head to the original space or parent page to make sure everything is where you expect it. If you restored a subpage or database, it will reappear inside its original container. This is helpful for keeping your workspace organized without needing to rebuild links or views. If you only needed a snippet from a deleted page, you can open it after restoring and copy what you need into another page, then archive it again if you like. To recap, use version history when you want to revisit earlier drafts or pull in specific content without losing recent work. Use trash when an entire page, subpage, or database has been deleted and you want it back in its original place. That's all you need to confidently manage page history and recover deleted content in Notion. Thanks for watching.